Hey there and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is what your science teacher never told you. Last time we explored viruses, but what if the invader isn't a virus but a bacterium? You might think of bacteria as just tiny germs. But when one enters your body, it triggers a biological war of epic proportions. So, let's dive into scientifically jaw-dropping, astonishing, and mind-blowing facts about what happens when a bacteria enters your body. A single bacterium can become millions in just a few hours. Bacteria can divide every 20 minutes. That means one E. coli cell can multiply into over 1 million in just 7 hours, turning a tiny invasion into a raging infection. Your skin is your fortress, but definitely not foolproof. Your skin protects you from billions of bacteria every single second. But you know, a tiny cut or wound can let Staphylococcus aureus in, which causes boils, infections, or even worse, sepsis. Some bacteria are, lethal with just 1 nanogram. The botulinum toxin, which comes from Clostridium botulinum, is actually the most lethal substance known. Just 2 nanograms per kilogram can be deadly. That's like, well, a grain of salt killing an elephant. Your body immediately goes on red alert. Once bacteria enter, immune cells like neutrophils and macrophages respond within minutes, engulfing invaders and spraying them with acid and enzymes to dissolve them. You have about 10 times more bacterial cells than human cells. While that might sound a bit scary, most bacteria in your body are actually friendly, especially in your gut, where they help digest food and make vitamins like B12 and K. Pathogenic bacteria steal your nutrients. Bad bacteria don't just sit around. They consume your glucose, iron, and amino acids, starving your healthy cells and releasing toxins that damage tissues. Some bacteria turn you into a disease factory. For example, Mycobacterium tuberculosis invades lung cells and causes them to release enzymes that slowly liquefy your lungs, creating cavities where bacteria thrive and spread. Want nightmares? This next part delivers. Bacteria can form impenetrable biofilms. In your body or on medical implants, bacteria can organize into biofilms, sticky communities protected by slime layers. These are up to 1,000 times more resistant to antibiotics. Antibiotics don't always help. Overuse has led to superbugs like MRSA or methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus. These bacteria resist even the strongest drugs, and honestly, they kill about 1.2 million people every year worldwide. Your gut bacteria can control your brain. The gut-brain axis is real. Bacteria in your intestines actually produce neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. These chemicals influence your mood, your memory, and yeah, even your behavior. Fever is your heat weapon. Your body raises its temperature to slow down bacterial growth. Most bacteria really struggle to replicate above 38 degrees Celsius, or 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit, so fever is an ancient but powerful defense. Some bacteria actually hide in your cells. Salmonella and Listeria don't just float around in your blood. They invade your cells, evading detection and honestly, using your own biology against you. It's kind of like a microscopic Trojan horse strategy. Bacteria can, well, mutate really rapidly. In harsh environments like when they're facing antibiotics or even immune attacks, bacteria evolve quickly. They can even gain resistance genes via plasmids, swapping these genetic tricks sort of like trading playing cards. Your immune system has memory here too. After fighting off a bacterial invader, your immune system creates memory cells. That's actually why vaccines work. Your body becomes a walking bacterial encyclopedia. Some bacteria may save your life. Helicobacter pylori, once considered purely harmful, may prevent esophageal cancer. Meanwhile, probiotic strains like Lactobacillus can heal the gut, boost immunity, and reduce inflammation. Subscribe to Factified, because curiosity is contagious. When a bacterium enters your body, it's not just a simple infection. It's a complex war of chemistry, evolution, and defense that unfolds inside you every second. The line between killer and healer is razor thin, and sometimes, your worst enemies become your greatest allies.